Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to worn or damaged blades. This can happen over time, especially if you've been using your device frequently or for heavy-duty tasks. Ignoring this issue can lead to further damage and ultimately a more costly repair, so it's best to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade set, and some lubricant. Begin by ensuring the Thermomix is unplugged. Carefully remove the bowl from the base, and then locate the screws at the base of the blade unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew these to gain access to the blades. You may encounter some resistance, so be sure to apply steady, even pressure. If you find it difficult, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've removed the screws, gently lift the blade unit from the base. Inspect the blades for any visible signs of wear or damage. If they appear worn, it's time to replace them. To do this, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the blade unit, taking note of where they connect for reassembly. Remove the old blades and replace them with the new set, ensuring they are securely attached. Reconnect any cables you've disconnected, being cautious not to damage any nearby components. Once everything is back in place, it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Align the blade unit back into the base and screw it in tightly, ensuring there are no loose parts. Finally, replace the bowl and plug in your device. Turn it on to test if the grinding noise persists. If everything sounds smooth, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM31. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly check the blades for wear and avoid using the device for tasks beyond its intended capabilities. Regular maintenance can go a long way in prolonging the life of your Thermomix. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.